A warm good morning to everyone present here. I am Sanskriti Tamang, currently studying in grade 9 and 2. Today I am here to give today's news. Let's start with today's national news. Animal quarantine office has been placed on alert as bird flu has spreaded to several districts. Authorities are increasing monitoring and preventive measures. Although no human cases have been reported, the government has lowered price of petrol, diesel, LPC, and aviation fuel following a drop in international oil price. The new rate came into effect today. Turning on to international news, Spain report over 1,000 heat-related deaths during June as Europe continues to experience unusually high temperature. Authorities have advised people to stay indoors during the hottest hour of day. That was all for international news. Now let's move on to the world of sports. Exciting round of 32 matches are continuing in the FIFA World Cup, with teams competing for people in the round of 16. Football fans around the world are enjoying thrilling knockout actions. Nepali trail runner Sunmaya Sutha won the Italy Ultra Trail race and broke a 13-year-old score record, bringing international recognitions to Nepal. Moving ahead on today's thought of the day, a positive mind creates a positive life. Now let's conclude our news with today's word of the day, resilience, meaning the ability to recover from difficulty and keep going. That was all for today's news. Thank you.